Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our first example. So we are given a composite figure. We are actually given two shapes in here. So let's go ahead and identify them. So we have one figure here and we have another figure up on top. So our bottom figure, which we'll call figure A, is a rectangular prism given by its rectangular base. Whereas on top, which we'll call figure B, is also a rectangular prism, since we do have a rectangular prism on the bottom as its base as well. So let's go and use our formula for a rectangular prism. So that's given by volumes equal to base, which is going to be width times length, times our altitude. So let's find the volume of rectangular prism A, which we'll denote by V sub A. So that's given by our width, which in this case is going to be 9 yards, times our length, which is 8, times our altitude, which is 4 yards. So this is going to be 72. 9 times 8 is 72. And let me grab my calculator. So 72 times 4 is going to be 288. So figure A is equal to 288 yards cubed. So let's not forget about units. So let's go ahead and find figure B. Figure B is given by our width. Width in this case is going to be 3 yards. So 3 yards times our length, which is 4 yards. 3 times 4, and our altitude is 2 times 2. So this is 3 times 4, which is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 yards cubed. So to find our volume, so volume, which I'll call volume total, volume T, it's going to be equal to the sum of volume A plus volume B. So we found both of those. So we found volume A to be 288 yards cubed, and volume B is 24 yards cubed. So we're going to go ahead and add those. So 288 plus 24 is equal to 312. 312 yards cubed. So once again, to find the volume of a composite figure, you identify the two shapes, which in this case are both rectangular prisms. You find the volume for each figure using the appropriate formula, and then you would add them together to arrive at your solution. So go and write this down, and once you are finished writing this down, you may move on to the next video.